Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about cosine 2x equal to cosine x squared minus sine x squared. So I will put this one goal here. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one we transform into this one. Next, we can put the negative on numerator and the denominator. So we change the sign of this one and we have cosine x minus sine x. Now we need to simplify. Next, I will put b over 4 going here and here. So we have the final answer. And that is the final. And we have the negative of the square root of number 2 over the square root of number 2 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.